Hello and welcome back to another episode of Dad Life. I'm just kidding. So today we are going to introduce another dad hack.
Alright guys, sometimes you find yourself needing a second person to lift something or just to move something down a driveway, into a garage, out of a shed, something like that, or even just trash to a curb. For instance, recommend it 2 people to lift this over 45 pounds. And it's pretty big for someone with a short arm span. So, you can actually use a creeper. Next, what you do, boom, you lift the one end.
Boom! There you have it. Another easy to use dad hack. As you see, use a creeper, lift with the other hand, push with all your might. Makes the job so much easier. So once again, guys, thank you for subscribing. Thank you for following. Toss me a like. And once again, this is Dad Life.